everyone. My name is Akanksha Pawar and I am student from Britsang classes. So today I will discuss about the respiratory system. So the respiratory system means organs and structures in our body which is allow us to breathe. So the respiratory system is divided into two types, upper respiratory system and a lower respiratory system. So the upper respiratory system contains nose, nasal cavity, then sinuses, pharynx and a larynx. So first one is the nasal. So the nasal first one is the nose. So the nose protect anterior portion of nasal cavity. After that, nasal cavity. So the nasal cavity is uppermost part of the respiratory system, which is divided into two by the nasal septums. Then third is the uh, sinuses. So the main role of sinuses is maintain the temperature and humidity of inhaled air. Then fourth one is the pharynx. So the pharynx move air from mouth and nose to larynx and trachea. After that, larynx. So there are two functions of the larynx. First one is first is the air canal. The air canal which is stopped which is stopped the air, stopped the food and drink by blocking the airway. And second is the as a voice box, means larynx are responsible for a smell and a sound. So the next part is upper respiratory tract. So the upper respiratory tract contain lungs, trachea and the diaphragm. First the lungs. So the lungs perform a vital role in respiratory system, that is breathing and a gas exchange. After that, trachea. So the trachea is a wide hollow tube which is connected to the trachea trachea of lungs. And third is the diaphragm. So the diaphragm is also perform a major role in respiratory system. After that, we seeing how respiratory system works. So a respiratory system works when a person inhaled, diaphragm contract and move downward. Thus after that, the space left in the chest allow lungs to expand. When the lungs expand, air moves in from nose mouth and the nose, and then trachea move down the air into the lungs. After that, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. mm, After exchange of carbon dioxide uh, before inhaled before exhalation before exhalation and before exhalation. Mm, and then when person exhale, diaphragm relax and the lungs recoil, and air move out from the lungs. So this is the we see how to respiratory system works. After that, we see what is the functions of respiratory system. So we see the main function of respiratory system is provide the oxygen to the cell of our body. After that, respiratory system also move out the carbon dioxide, and also it is responsible for our voice and smell our voice and smell. After smell After that, we discuss about the disorders of respiratory system. So first one is the asthma. So the asthma is a chronic inflammatory condition, a chronic inflammatory condition, and the symptoms of asthma is coughing as well as breathlessness. After that, second disorder is COPD. means a chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It This condition also inflammatory condition, and symptoms of this disorder is also breathing problem, also coughing, uh, breathlessness, also feel like restless. So these are the disorder of respiratory systems. Thank you.